Money and marriage are two significant aspects of our lives, and when they intersect, they can either strengthen or strain the bond between partners. Financial difficulties and disagreements are among the most common causes of marital discord. However, with the right approach and effective communication, couples can maintain a healthy balance between love and finances. In this video, we will explore some valuable tips for managing money and marriage for a harmonious and prosperous life together. Have open and honest communication. The foundation of a healthy marriage, especially when it comes to finances, is open and honest communication. Both partners should feel comfortable discussing money matters, including income, expenses, debts, and financial goals. Regularly set aside time to talk about your financial situation and make joint decisions. Couples in healthy marriages are twice as likely to discuss money expectations together. This transparency can help prevent misunderstandings and resentment down the road. Respect each other's unique traits about money. Although personality disparities can contribute to certain marital challenges, they don't truly underlie your financial and marital concerns. The core issue arises when either of you fails to acknowledge the other's perspective, or when one of you completely disengages from financial responsibilities. If you're the more easygoing partner, don't just offer a passive agreement by saying, "That sounds good, dear." Your input matters during budget discussions. Share your thoughts, provide constructive criticism, and offer words of encouragement. Remember, you're both part of the same team in this endeavor, so collaborate on the budget. Leverage your distinct personalities to enhance your teamwork and unity. Set shared financial goals with one another. To strengthen your financial partnership, it's essential to set shared financial goals. These could include saving for a house, planning for retirement, or funding a dream vacation. When both partners are working towards a common objective, it creates a sense of unity and shared purpose. Create a successful budget. Establishing a budget is a practical step to ensure financial stability. Work together to create a monthly budget that outlines your income and expenses. Be sure to allocate funds for both necessities and discretionary spending. Stick to your budget as closely as possible, making adjustments as needed, and monitor your progress towards your financial goals. Avoid letting salaries cause tension. In most couples, it's common for one partner to earn more than the other. Rarely will both partners have identical salaries, and regardless of whether the disparity is $20,000 or $80,000 per year, similar issues can surface. Instead of perceiving the income as mine or yours, some might mistakenly believe that a larger paycheck grants them more influence in the relationship. Entertaining such notions can lead to financial and relational tensions. Remember, it's not about yours or mine, it's about ours. There's no need to wield a higher income as a bargaining chip. You are a team. Start treating one another as such. Discuss having separate and joint accounts. Couples often have varying opinions on whether to maintain separate or joint bank accounts. The key is finding what works best for both partners. Some choose to have a joint account for shared expenses, while maintaining individual accounts for personal spending. The most important thing is that both partners are comfortable with the arrangement and that it promotes trust and cooperation. Have an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is crucial for financial security and peace of mind. Set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account for unexpected events like medical emergencies or job loss. Having this safety net can prevent financial stress from spilling over into your relationship. Avoid hiding money from your spouse. Infidelity within marriage isn't solely limited to extramarital affairs. It can also manifest when one strays from their shared financial objectives, such as opening clandestine bank accounts or concealing money. Such actions are dishonest, just like maintaining a hidden credit card your spouse is unaware of. It's imperative to foster transparency by openly acknowledging the existence of any covert checking or savings accounts or undisclosed credit cards. It's time to admit the truth and initiate an open dialogue. Subsequently, both partners should rekindle financial trust by reaffirming their commitment to shared financial goals, reestablishing a united front, and reinforcing the understanding that they are in this together. Seek professional financial advice. If you find yourself facing complex financial decisions or disagreements that are difficult to resolve, don't hesitate to seek professional financial advice. A financial advisor can provide an objective perspective and help you make informed choices about investments, insurance, and long-term financial planning. Share your thoughts on the lifestyles you both have chosen. Imagine you're someone who's perfectly happy shopping at Goodwill when it's time to refresh your wardrobe. On the other hand, your spouse is a fan of purchasing high-end, name-brand items at their full retail price. When there's a notable disparity between your income and these expensive tastes, it can pose a significant challenge. Ultimately, it's essential for your lifestyle to align with your actual income. Marriage is fundamentally about finding a middle ground and making compromises. If one of you has a penchant for pricier tastes, you might want to explore the option of shopping at outlet malls where you can still acquire those beloved name brands but at more affordable prices. This way, you can bridge the gap between your differing shopping preferences without straining your budget. Avoid blame and criticism. When financial difficulties arise, it's easy to play the blame game. Avoid pointing fingers and criticizing your partner's financial decisions. Instead, focus on finding solutions and learning from past mistakes. A constructive approach to problem solving will foster a healthier financial and emotional environment. Maintain individual independence. While shared financial goals are important, it's equally essential to maintain individual financial independence. Each partner should have the freedom to spend some money as they see fit without scrutiny, as long as it doesn't jeopardize the household budget. Establish shared goals with one another. In the realm of finances and relationships, unfulfilled expectations can be a significant source of conflict. The swiftest path to discontentment and dissatisfaction in a marriage is having rigid expectations that reality might not align with. For instance, if you've long held the belief that owning a house immediately after marriage is the norm, you might feel disappointed when your first anniversary finds you celebrating in a rented apartment instead. It's essential not to allow unrealistic expectations to set the stage for financial and marital issues. Plan for retirement together. Discuss your retirement plans early in your marriage. Deciding when you want to retire and what kind of lifestyle you want during retirement will help you set savings goals and make informed financial decisions to reach those goals. Celebrate financial milestones. Celebrate your financial milestones together. Whether it's paying off debt, reaching a savings target, or achieving a career-related financial goal, acknowledge and reward your accomplishments. This positive reinforcement can keep you motivated and reinforce your financial partnership. In conclusion, the moment has arrived to cease these financial missteps and seek mutual understanding. Building a strong marriage demands dedication and effort. While the process might occasionally be awkward or challenging, you can acquire the skills to engage in more constructive and effective financial discussions. A strong and healthy marriage is built on love, trust, and communication, and the same principles apply when it comes to managing money. By openly discussing finances, setting shared goals, and supporting each other's financial independence, you can create a secure and harmonious financial partnership. Remember that challenges will arise, but with effective communication and a joint commitment to financial well-being, you can navigate the complexities of money and marriage successfully, ensuring a prosperous and lasting relationship. Bear in mind that you have chosen to marry your partner for a specific reason. Whether you realize it or not, you benefit from their unique skills, wisdom, and perspective, particularly the ones that differ from your own. Whether they possess a free-spirited or analytical nature, their insights and knowledge can be highly valuable. Remember, they are your partner, and it's high time to start acknowledging and appreciating them as such. Thanks for watching Motivate My Marriage. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share.